Give you a tour of my my mushroom farm. This used to be my plant room, and I cleaned most of the plants out in order to do mushrooms. So I've got 4 different areas if you count this common area. Right there is my my laboratory. Got a laminar flow hood that I built. Here, let me see if I can show it to you. I think it's pretty cool. So when I turn it on, that's blowing a laminar flow of clean air so that I can work in front of this and not get my keep everything sterile. Got a little. Now in this room, which I keep at between 75 and 77, this is my my incubation room, and I've got well, this is a spawn that I'm creating, and this is tarragon mushrooms. It's a form of oyster mushrooms in various stages, but this one's come along rather well. And then this is my liquid culture, and the way this goes is you buy a syringe of liquid culture and you stab it through that red part there, and that's a self-healing injection port. This other little thing here is a filter, and it's a syringe filter, and it allows gases to go in and out without allowing any bacteria to come in and out. And this is, and you have to keep this all stirred up every day, so this is my little stir. It's got a magnetic bar in there, and that stirs it. Now this room here, this is my fruiting room, and it remains about 65 degrees in here, and this makes the fog. There's an air shoots out of there, and there's a, let's see if I can get you a picture of it. I can't actually see what I'm taking a picture of, but that's the ultrasonic fog maker. And so this fog just blows around the room this way. And then I have an air conditioner in here to keep it cool. This is where my my bags, my blocks of substrate, inoculated substrate will fruit mushrooms in here. Everything's covered in plastic, and even the shelves are plastic. And eventually this shelf that I have plants on, this metro shelf, that'll roll into there, and actually one day I'm just trying to do what I can with what I've got, and this was all free to me because it's just stuff I had. All these shelves I'd like to take out and then put another metro shelf in there. That way I can keep everything really clean. So here's the controller. It's up to 77%. It should remain between 65 and 85%, the way I've got it set. There's a little fan up there. Well, that's where the air is blowing in. And down here, the carbon dioxide, which is created by the mushrooms, is blowing out here to the outside. Now this room also has, well, I don't have the heater in here right now, but a little tiny heater rolls in here, and this is the air conditioner to keep it cool in the summer. So it's this room has been many things, and now it's my mushroom farm. Well, thanks for taking a look with me.